In this video, you'll learn how to connect Claude Code to MySQL on a Windows system. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a functioning MySQL database and a connection established through your project files. Begin by downloading MySQL Community Server from the official MySQL website. Once the download is complete, initiate the setup process. During the installation, select the developer default option to ensure you have all necessary components. It is essential to set a strong root password to secure your database. Keep the default port setting at 3306, which is standard for MySQL, and proceed to finish the installation. After the installation, you need to verify that MySQL is running correctly. Open PowerShell on your Windows machine. In the PowerShell window, type MySQL-uroot-p and press enter. You will be prompted to enter the root password you set earlier. If you successfully enter the MySQL shell, this indicates that your database is working properly. To exit the MySQL shell, simply type exit and press enter. Next, you will create a clean project for your application. In the PowerShell window, type mkdir Claude MySQL app to create a new directory for your project. Change into this directory by typing cd Claude MySQL app to initialize a new node.js project. Run the command npm init-y. This will create a package.json file with default settings for your project. Now, you need to install the MySQL driver for your node.js application. Use the command npm install MySQL driver. This driver is production ready and will effectively manage your database connections. After the installation completes, you are ready to create your database. Log back into the MySQL shell by typing MySQL-u root-p and entering your password. To create a new database, use the commands create database Claude_app. After that, switch to this database with ue Claude_app. You will now create a table named users by entering the SQL command that defines the structure of the table. It should look like this. Create table, users, EINPR key auto _increment, name varchar 100, email varchar 100. Once the table is created, you can exit the MySQL shell again by typing exit. The next step is to create a connection file named db.js. In your project directory, create this file and include the necessary code to establish a connection to your MySQL database. Start by requiring the MySQL2 library with const MySQL2/promise. Define an asynchronous function named connectDB that creates a connection using your database credentials. Replace your _ password with the root password you set earlier. Log a message to the console confirming the successful connection and export the connection function. To test the database connection, create a file named test.js. In this file, require the connection function you just created. Define an asynchronous function named test to execute a simple query that checks the connection. Use the query set1 + 1as result to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Run this file with the command node-test.js. If the output displays result 2, your MySQL connection is successfully established. Once the connection is verified, you can proceed to use Claude Code within your project directory. Simply type Claude to prompt Claude and provide various commands, such as creating a CRUD API for the users table, adding an insert function, optimizing query performance, adding connection pooling, or converting your code to Express API. Claude will modify your local project based on these prompts. For production environments, it is crucial to implement connection pooling for better performance. In your db.js file, replace the connection setup with a pool configuration. Create a pool instance using const pool equals MySQL.createPool with the necessary parameters. This setup allows your application to handle multiple database connections efficiently, which is essential for real applications.